Hello beautiful people, it's your favorite girl Munnoh. I'm so excited to have you here today. Thank you so much for coming back if you are a returning subscriber, and if this is the first time you're stopping by this channel, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Please consider subscribing so that you can become a part of this family. When you subscribe, please turn on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. So for today's tutorial, I have decided to use one stone to kill two birds. A subscriber requested that I do a tutorial of how to tie down gele on a mannequin head and still have it fit the customer's head perfectly. And then I have this customer who wants me to tie down her gele because she'll be traveling with it. So I figured that this is the perfect time to do this tutorial for you guys. So if this is something you're interested in, keep watching. Let me explain what you saw me doing just now. So I divided the gele, I folded the gele into two equal parts, and then at the center of the gele, I folded in a little bit and pinned it down. I'm going to explain the reason why I did that before the end of this video. So please watch this video to the very end so that you can understand fully how and why I do the things I do when I'm tying down gele for customers. If you haven't seen my video of how I customize my mannequin head for gele tying, I'm going to leave the link on the iCard on your right so that you can go check that video out. That customization comes in very handy, especially for this type of gele when you have to tie gele down. Please watch that video so that you learn how to customize your own mannequin head. Now moving on to the tying. After I've placed the gele on the mannequin head, I've secured it with my pin, with my long needles, and then I am moving on to the tying. I'm not going to be doing much explanation here because I made the video very self-explanatory. Let me point out here that this gele can be automated. So if you're somebody who makes autogeles, this style will be a very good one to add to your collection. All you need to do is to add an adjustable strap to the back and you are good to go. If you are still watching this video till this point, it means that you and I can actually be good friends. If you are not yet subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button now. Turn on the notification bell as well so that you don't miss out any videos from me. If you haven't liked this video yet, please click that like button. If you have any questions for me, please leave it in the comment section. Criticisms are welcome, but please keep them constructive. Feel free to share my videos with anybody. I really do not mind. When tying down gele for your customers, it's important that you advise them on the type of hair to have on. Okay, so the best hairstyle for tie down gele is either cornrow or just minimal volume of hair. They can't have so much hair on the head or have braids on and then expect the gele to sit properly. No, so it has to be minimal volume of hair, or better still, let the hair be cornrowed so that the gele can fit nicely. Very quickly before I go, let me explain why I paint stained that part of the gele that I did at the middle. Now, taking that part in gives a room for your client to be able to wear the gele, right? So if, for instance, the gele is too big for the clients, they can remove that pin that I put at the middle and take it in a little bit more and pin it back. If it happens to be too small, they can remove that pin entirely, or just just do the adjustment to fit their head size. All right, so I find that this works for me when I have to tie down gele on a mannequin head for customers. Now, another thing that you can use to tie down your gele for customers is your custard bucket. So if you have a custard bucket and you know how to maneuver that, that is equally good to use. All right, please don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until I see you next time, stay safe and stay blessed.